Hello, so today is New Year. New packages came. It's like second Christmas. And today I get this one in the postage, so I will pack it out and see what it is. I know what it is, but you don't know. And also two small packages. Maybe we should start with the small packages. What do you mean? No? With the big one? Okay, I think big one. Wow! Look what's inside. Some bag? What is this bag? Looks nice. I can tilt the camera. So this is the bag. What do you think? What's inside? Okay, this is my laser level. I will use it when I make the chassis or chassis suspension, maybe some engine mountings for this camera. That will be usable tool. Looks kind of good, backed in good. Should we see if it works? We can do it like that again. There you go. Okay, we will see if it works. You see here in transportation they put some plastic nut, so it will not turn on by itself. That's good. And if I turn it on, what happens? It works. Okay, like it works. Like it. We will see later on that. Now maybe small pack more. Angle finder. No batteries. Oh, I have but 2 batteries. Very important, right? Like good. Looks cheap, but and we will see if it's holding. Yeah, it's holding. It's not falling down. And we will see what's in the next small package. What do you think? What it is? You think the same? Yeah, it's the same thing. No batteries. Okay, I have more. I have more batteries, so that's no problem. We will see if this one is also working. Yep, it's working. Should we test if it's holding on the steel like the first one? Oh, we can test it. I think it will do the job. Okay, so let's see on this fancy laser level product instructions. High precision level 3D, 4D. A lot of information that I don't need. Okay, so this one includes some adjustment table, so you can adjust the level like that. That's really nice. It also includes a charger, the right one, European. Also includes something like that. Okay, so you can tilt it like that, you can adjust to the side, or you can change the angle like that or like that. And you can also, if you can see, you can turn it like that. And also it have 2 magnets. We will see if it holds. It holds. What is more? Okay, it's tripod. Just doing the same. You can probably adjust the height and you can turn it like that. Okay, so this one have a remote also. I don't know if someone needs it, but I don't need it. And also something like that. This is, yeah, just to grab, yeah, some mount like that. Like that. Like that. And then like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines totally. Okay, so this is the laser from China, from AliExpress. if you want, just ask. I will give you the link to the exact machine. This buttons looks like normal buttons, but it's touch. You don't need to press, you just touch and it works. Same with this. Like that, it's working. I still waiting for parts to engine and gearbox, and also I need to get rid of this old axles and stuff I don't need. That's later. And today I will make some packages to send out. See you.